Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a beautiful project share. I did it yesterday, and I'm making a video this morning. I saw the images, and within 10 minutes, had to come into my craft room and download them, and oh my goodness. So it is a very religious journal. I have a lot of marking of, I have a lot of lines so you can write notes and everything. What is that? Journaling? Journaling. It's a journal. Journaling pages. Journaling pages. So I have two questions to ask you. Would you buy it? Because I could make one just like it or sell this one. And should I add lace to it and all? I think it's very reverent as it is, but I can always lace it up with different stuff, so I don't know which way to go, so I left it out. Here are who I used, and I will put their links down below. Colico Collage is the Bible pages. It has Bible pages. Modernistic Print Shop is all the Jesus beautiful stuff, and then Pixie Dust Files is all the extras and everything. So I'll put those links down below. Let's walk through this. It is beautiful. So here is the side. I like making it look like a book, so instead of scoring in the middle, I score one tick on each side and see how it's square. And here is the back. Isn't she beautiful? And there's the front. So let's walk through this. There's a lot going on, and I'm going to take my time and show you because I think I did a great job. So this right here, tuck spot, is Pixie Dust. This is the Bible pages, and this Jesus and Virgin Mary paper. I used an annagriffin die, and that is Virgin Mary holding Jesus as a baby. I'm going to put everything off to the side. Here is a Pixie Dust tag. Here is, and I sized down there's one of the images, and I just sized it down in my computer and printed it, and it's a little card. You could use these as note cards, as someone in the hospital. You could use this for so much, or journaling. Here is a tag I made. I used annagriffin's die to cut these tags. I think it's the perfect size. So then let's go to the next page. Look at the images. Is that not gorgeous? There's a little bit of flowers on the Bible. This is John. So this is, I just love this. Here is a beautiful image. So let me take this off. And see, there's journaling lines, and then here is where this is a portrait, and I just cut it and made an envelope, and here is two images, or tags I should say. These are from Pixie Dust. Look at those images. This is the same image. This is just on cardstock, heavy. And this is the regular print paper. So here is another tuck spot. I love this little die. It's supposed to be to make a tussy mussy, but it's perfect for tuck spots. So here is an image tag from Pixie Dust. Here is an image from the Jesus collection. Here is another card that I just sized down. Instead of using it as a junk journal, I sized it down. And here is another die I used of annagriffin. Isn't that gorgeous? And it just matches perfectly. Let's see, here's some more images. Oh, it's just beautiful. Here is a writing area, journaling image. Everything just coordinated so well together, all the colors. So let me take this off, and let me see if I had, let's see, yeah. So I made a little pocket envelope, made a little envelope, and it has a little surprise card in it. I made an envelope out of just printing from Pixie dust, and inside here I put goodies. Here is 3 crosses. You could really craft with those, or it just looks really good inside here. And then I had more of the pixie dust. I think this was the Virgin Mary journaling, and it just matched and went beautiful with it, so I used it. I made a video on how to make these envelopes, so let's just put this off to the side too. So right here is the center, and what I did was I put 2 cardstock, heavy cardstock together, and I made 2 pockets. So let's get into this pocket. There's the images. Is that not beautiful? I mean, and this is Anna's die, and this is Anna's die, Annagriffin. And a lot could fit in there. And then this one is, what's in this one? These, and they're heavy cardstock. Look at those images, it's beautiful. So then here is another tuck spot, and here is a beautiful image. Another beautiful image. Here is an envelope with a little writing tag in here. Here is another cross from Annagriffin. Here is another card that you could literally put in an envelope and mail out, but I use it for journaling, or you could use it for journaling. Is that not beautiful? Oh, now you know why I saw this and worked on it yesterday, put everything else to the side and started working on this. Right here is another portrait image, and I just folded it over, made an envelope, and then made these tags to fit inside, trimmed them down. That goes there. On the other side is, well, this is one of the Virgin Mary from Pixie Dust. I felt like there wasn't enough journaling pages, so I made a journaling little notebook, and there's a lot of sheets in here, so that fits right here. And then here's some more Bible pages. I can never rip a Bible apart, but I could print a Bible page and then use it, so I felt like that was good to do. Isn't that beautiful? And then here is the back page, and the images are just beautiful everywhere. So you have a beautiful tag, another beautiful tag, you have another card. I think there's 4 in here altogether. You have the manger scene, Joseph, Mary, and the baby scene. I thought was pretty to put right there. And then here is another envelope with 2 little cards. And then there is that. And there's the back. So what do you think? I love it. I really, really love it. So write in the comments what you think about the lace, and write in the comments if you're interested in buying this. I think in proceeding, I'm going to start maybe opening my Etsy or selling stuff. I'm just not sure. But anyway, all the links are down below, and yeah, you can follow me on TikTok You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Facebook. I have a blog on Facebook, and I have 2 groups on Facebook. So yeah, one's just for Texas and one's for everybody else. But if you want to be in the one just for Texas, it doesn't matter. So anyway, all right guys, thank you for watching this. Have a blessed day.